Hi, it's time to cook again. Today we're going to do something a little different. Baked Alaska. No, don't get scared. Come back here. Don't leave. Trust me, this is going to be easy. It'll be fun, and you're going to impress the heck out of everybody. So hang in here with me, and we're going to get started. Now, first of all, we're going to start with the pound cake. Now, you can turn that off for a minute. You can make a pound cake, which is great. You can buy a pound cake from your grocery store, or you can get a box and make one. Whatever's easier. I actually couldn't find one at my grocery store, so I just got a box and made one. Yes, don't tell anyone it came from a box. So this is the pound cake, and what we're going to do, I'm going to cut off the ends, because for this I don't want to use the ends. I'll leave that later. I'm going to cut about an inch wide, I think, slice of pound cake, like this. And then we're going to use cookie cutters. I got this great box with all different sizes, and we're going to use that. I think that's about the right size. And we're going to cut a circle out of that pound cake, just like that. We're going to place it on a cookie sheet pan that I've lined with parchment paper. Not scared yet, are you? Pretty simple. Going to do that again. Cut another circle. We can always use the leftover pieces as a snack or in a trifle, which is really easy. Maybe we'll do that tomorrow. Okay. I'm going to do this at least 4 pieces. If I've got enough, I'll keep going till we're done here. Okay, so that's 3. Comes number 4. I think we can get 6 out of this. The trick is hiding it from my husband until I'm ready to serve it. Has a terrible, terrible sweet tooth. He did tell me, though, he's not a big fan of lemon, so I guess I need to make more lemon desserts so he eats less. I love lemon. I absolutely love lemon. Talked my daughter into planting a lemon tree, so hopefully we get a good crop. Okay, that's good for now. All right, what we're going to do now, you can see this, we're going to top it with ice cream and then let it freeze for about 30 minutes. So hang on while I go get the ice cream. Okay, here we're back. I have to hide the ice cream from my husband or it wouldn't be here right now, so thank you for waiting. Okay, what I bought, you can buy any flavor you want. I got Neapolitan because I thought that would look pretty when you're eating the ice cream. So I'm just going to take a scoop and try and go across all 3 flavors, and you just put that right on top of your cake. Pretty easy so far, right? Okay, here we go again. Just a regular ice cream scoop. Here we go. Okay, hopefully I have enough for all 6. If not, we'll stop wherever we have. Okay. Number 3 fits right on top of my cake perfectly. Now I'm a chocolate lover fan. Chocolate ice cream is my favorite. But I thought this would just look pretty with the 3 different colors. Again, use whatever you want. Okay, here we've got number 5. Looks like I'm going to have to use plain vanilla for number 6. Okay, here we go for the last one. Okay, and that's it. Now this goes into the freezer for at least 30 minutes to make sure everything sets. So I'll be back with you in a few minutes. Okay, we're back. If you recall, we got the pound cake circles, we put a scoop of ice cream on top, and now they're in the freezer getting nice and firm before we put it in the oven. What we're going to do next is make the meringue. This is really easy. We're going to start with a pan of simmering water. And in here, in this bowl, it's a glass heat-proof bowl, I've got 1½ cups of sugar. To that, I'm going to add 8 egg whites, just like that. And our goal here is to get the sugar dissolved and everything heated up nicely. So that's what we're going to do. I'm going to stir this, and once it looks like it's all dissolved, I'm going to get a candy thermometer and make sure it's at least 120 degrees. So that's our goal right now. Just going to keep stirring this. Probably should get a hot pad. About medium heat. Just want to keep stirring until that's all dissolved. Sugar's dissolved. Now that might take a minute, so rather than making you watch me do this, as soon as it's dissolved, we'll come back and finish the recipe. This is really easy. I hope you're enjoying it. Hi, we're back. Okay, it's only been a couple of minutes. This is now at 120 degrees. I checked it with a thermometer. What we're going to do now is pour it into a mixing bowl. This is my stand mixer. Make sure you use a hot pad. This is hot. Get your bowl. Pour all that luscious egg and sugar into your bowl. Okay. All pretty easy so far, right? Now we need a half a teaspoon of salt. Kosher salt. There we go. Half a teaspoon of cream of tartar. That'll help give it some body. And 2 teaspoons of my favorite, vanilla. There we go. 1, 2, and a couple drips for good behavior. Okay, that's it. We're going to put this in the mixer on low for 1 minute to make sure it's all incorporated. And then I'll put it on high for 5 minutes. And then we'll come back and take a look. We'll have beautiful Swiss meringue. Hi. Okay, the Swiss meringue is done. This is what it looks like. Isn't that beautiful? How hard was that? The mixer did all the hard work. So what we're going to do now, excuse me, is we're going to put the meringue around the ice cream and the cake. So I got them out of the freezer. We're going to decorate these. The nice thing about this is I'm making it ahead of time. It'll all be in the freezer ready for me to put in the oven once I'm ready to serve my guests or myself. So just kind of spread it around. Try to cover it all up. Get as much meringue as you need. I'm going to need a little bit more over here. And then make your little spikes, because that's what's going to be real pretty and brown. Make as many as you want. So there's one done. Not hard yet, is it? Okay, we're going to do the next one. Just going to spread it around. Look how creamy and gorgeous that is. That was not hard at all to do. Not hard at all. I love it when the mixer does all the work. Don't be shy with your meringue. Little spikes. We're just going to keep doing that. I've got on my third one now. When I'm done with this, it goes back in the freezer. And it'll stay there until guest time. And then you put your oven on 500. You put these in the oven for 2.5 to 3 minutes just to brown the tips of the meringue, and you're ready to eat. Now, if these individual baked Alaskas don't impress your guests, you need to find different guests. No, they'll love it. And it'll taste great. Again, like I said, you could use any ice cream you want. I think next time I'll do chocolate for sure, although this is good for now. I also made a strawberry sauce to go with this. Strawberries are in season here, and they're pretty good price. In fact, excellent price right now. So I took 6 ounces of strawberries, half a cup of sugar, and I put that on the stove, got it boiling, and let it simmer for about 4 minutes. Then I poured it into a food processor along with a cup of strawberry preserves, mixed it all together, added about a tablespoon of amaretto. That's what I like. If you like a different liqueur, that's fine, but I love the taste of strawberries and amaretto. Put that in the fridge and just let it chill until you're ready. We'll pour some of that onto the plate, then plate our baked Alaska, and we're ready to go. Okay, I need a few little tips here, and I think I'm done. Now if you're looking for perfectly round, don't, because I think they look much better when they're kind of self-formed here. Here we go. Okay, this goes back in the freezer, and I'll see you when it's time to serve my guests. So I hope you're still with me when I get back, because this is a really easy and delicious dessert. See you shortly. Bye. Okay, I'm back. Here it is. I baked it at 500 degrees for 2.5 to 3 minutes. And I got to serve quickly. I don't know if you can see with the way the light is. Sorry. But they're gorgeous. So that's it. That's how easy it is. Hope you enjoy it. Hope you try it. Thanks.